In the ever-evolving world of technology, software as a service, SaaS, has become a popular choice for businesses looking to streamline their operations and improve efficiency. Building a SaaS website and implementing effective project management practices are crucial for the success of your business. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the process step by step and provide valuable insights for beginners. Begin by identifying the problem your SaaS solution will address and who your target audience is. Conduct thorough market research to understand the needs and preferences of your potential customers. Create a well-structured business plan that outlines your SaaS offering, target market, marketing strategies, financial projections, and growth plans. This will serve as a roadmap for your business and help you stay on track. Select a reliable and user-friendly platform for building your SaaS website, such as WordPress, Wix, or Shopify. Ensure the platform offers the necessary tools and integrations for your project management needs. Create a visually appealing and easy-to-navigate website design that reflects your brand identity. Focus on user experience and ensure your website is responsive across various devices. Develop the necessary features and functionalities for your SaaS offering and integrate project management tools such as Trello, Asana, or Monday.com to streamline your workflow. Thoroughly test your website for any bugs or glitches and optimize it for better performance. This includes improving site speed, ensuring mobile responsiveness, and optimizing for search engines, SEO. Once you're satisfied with your website, it's time to launch it. Create a marketing plan to promote your SaaS offering and attract potential customers. Continuously monitor your website's performance using analytics tools such as Google Analytics. Analyze user behavior, track conversions, and make data-driven decisions to improve your SaaS offering and project management practices. Encourage customer engagement by providing multiple channels for feedback, such as live chat, email, or social media. Analyze the feedback to identify areas for improvement and make necessary adjustments to your SaaS offering and project management strategies. Stay up to date with the latest trends and technologies in the SaaS industry and make necessary changes to your offering and project management practices. This will help you stay competitive and maintain a strong presence in the market. Building a successful SaaS website and implementing effective project management practices require a combination of a well-defined business plan, a user-friendly website, and continuous innovation. By following this ultimate guide, you'll be well equipped to navigate the challenges of the SaaS landscape and achieve your goals as a beginner in the industry.